Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to go over my scraps that I have left over from my last kit that you saw and a couple of layouts that I did. So the first thing that I wanted to show you guys is I actually did this, I added this into the collection, which is just like some fun little letter stickers that I thought really matched with what I use, the color scheme. So I have that, and then I have a whole bunch of scraps left over. I'm really proud of myself for using up almost all the paper. Like, this is the biggest sheet that I have. So I'm really excited that I did use up that. Some of this will be probably trashed. Some of it will go in my stash. Some of it I will make some embellishments. So really excited that I did use up a lot of that. As far as the border stickers, I did use a couple of them. I have about 3 more left. I use this a lot, actually, more than I thought. So definitely gonna probably put these in my sticker stash and keep them for further use. Now, this sticker sheet, I didn't really use that much. I thought I was going to, but I just think maybe this style of stickers are not my cup of tea. So I might keep a couple of things like this number 11 maybe, and maybe like this story down here. But other than that, I don't know if this is my, what I like anymore, the way I scrap. I also used a lot of the stickers in this wording or letters, which I will always use more of them. So used a couple of those. And then I also used a lot of these stickers. These are from the color block, so I will put these probably in my stash. And then I used a couple of these die cuts from the same collection, but I don't know. I don't think that this is my kind of styling anymore of scrapbooking. I'm more of the bright colors. This used to be in when I first started scrapbooking, and it still is, but to me, I like the bright colors. So I don't know what I'll do with this, and maybe see if a friend wants it. And then this is the same collection, just a whole bunch of words, which I will keep this because I could always use some more words. And then, let's see, I used a lot, which was really surprising, of the rub ones. So I will probably use like these tickets maybe in a layout, but I don't know about the rest. We will see. I'm not big on to rub ones anymore, so yeah, I'm really shocked that I used the majority of them. And then here is the brads I have left over. So I will put these in my brad stash and use them in I'll color coordinate them. And then this is the sticker sheet that came with it. I didn't really use any of these, I don't think. I think maybe one, but this will go in my sticker book. So didn't use any of those. And then as far as the bits that like came with the collection, some of these were part of the brads. I will either put in my, like, I have like a stash over there in the corner. But it, you know, whatever I'll do with it. I did use one of these, so we will see that in a layout. So that's everything that I had. Now let me go ahead and show you guys the layouts. So this is the first layout. I love how this one turned out. This is using the brown collection that I added with a little bit of blue and yellow. And I really love how these hexagons are like built up. A lot of the stickers that I have were from that collection. And then I actually added in this Scrabble. So really like how this one turned out. Really cute and fun and just different. So the next one, I'm covering up the information because this is an invitation over here. But I wish you guys could see it because it is very cute. It kind of matches with the colors. So this was actually in my stash, and this too. So I just basically just added a couple of little gold elements, and that's really it. Just really played with the paper on this one. I did add this like green one behind there, so I love how this one turned out. Very cute. All right. This one is the next one I have. I also used all of this fringe that came along with the kit. I have a couple of the doilies left over here, and then I just used a whole bunch of the stickers, and these are more of the stickers from the collection. They just matched really well. There's a border strip, another sticker, some stickers, and there's a little bird up there if you can see it's hiding. And so this is a gift of joy, and so there's some of the letter stickers. All right, this one right here, this paper is like a really textured paper, so some of the letters are not sticking, but I like this one. I mean, it's not like my favorite just because I'm working with green and just, you know, I should have used maybe a little bit more of this, the flowery colored, but I did use some of the brads up there, some of the flowers, the butterfly I actually added from my stash. So there's a whole bunch of butterflies. And then down here, there's the other half of the doily. Some of the brads from the collection, like there's some stickers, and these flowers are from the collection as well. So that one turned out good. I guess I'm not really big into green as much as I thought. All right, and then this is the last one I have for this collection. So I just took all of these butterflies and kind of just started to layer them. This is a rub-on from the collection, if you guys can see that. And then I just used the paper clip. It says pretty and smiley. And just more of the stickers down here. I did a lot of layering with the paper and the border stickers. And then there's a brad and a sticker from the collection, and then there's more of this, like the twine that I thought was so pretty. But yeah, so that is the last layout from this collection that I got. So I got 5 layouts from this kit, which I think is pretty good. I will show you guys 2 more layouts that I had for my last kit that I don't know if I showed or not. So this one was part of April's challenge, I believe. And so it was using a poem on your page, which is a poem about my family dog that had passed away. So I'm not sure if I showed this or not, but I figured it's right here. I would show it, if not again. And then there's this one right here, and this is hashtag nothing's better. So this is just a picture of my coffee cup. I love coffee. It's probably one of my favorite things in the morning, to just sit and have a cup of coffee and just relax. So I wanted to document that and this is using a tissue paper technique that I saw on YouTube, and thought that it was really cool, and the tissue paper just really matched with the collection that I had last in April. So really cute, really enjoy this layout. So overall, I am pretty happy with the layouts that I got done. I am looking forward to making some more layouts, and I will see you guys in my next video to show you guys some more kits that I have put together with my stash. I hope that you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!